Welcome to Unlock Potentials. I am Dimas from Jira.
Have you ever felt like you weren't good enough? Like no matter how hard you try, something inside whispers, you can't do it. That's self-doubt talking. And the truth is, you're not alone. Even the most successful people you admire, they've been there. The difference? They didn't let it stop them. And today, neither will you. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll learn how to silence that inner critic and start trusting yourself again. I am Dimas. Welcome to Unlock Potentials, the channel where your journey to personal growth, purpose, and self-belief begins. In this video, we'll explore powerful steps to overcome self-doubt. You'll hear a story that may reflect your own, and I'll share 5 practical tools to rebuild your inner confidence, starting today. So take a deep breath. This is your moment. Let me tell you a story. There was a young woman named Maya. She dreamed of becoming a writer, but every time she tried to share her work, a voice inside her said, "You're not good enough. Who would read this?" So she hid her stories in notebooks for years. One day, while cleaning, her younger brother found one of her old journals and read it. He looked up and said, "Why didn't you ever publish this? It's amazing." In that moment, Maya realized her doubt wasn't truth. It was just fear dressed as reason. So she submitted her work, shaking, heart pounding. And guess what? That book is now changing lives. Just like her story is changing yours right now. Here's how you can begin overcoming self-doubt today. 1. Recognize the voice of doubt. Self-doubt often shows up as your own voice. But that voice isn't always right. When you hear thoughts like, "I'm not smart enough," or "I'll fail again," pause. Ask yourself, would I say this to someone I love? If not, why say it to yourself? 2. Replace doubt with truth. Truth is your weapon. Write down every negative belief and counter it with a truth. For example, "I'm not capable. I've overcome so much already." Truth builds strength. Lies build fear. 3. Take small, brave steps. Confidence doesn't come from waiting. It comes from doing, even when you're afraid. Pick one thing today, a small step. Speak up. Share your idea. Apply for that opportunity. Action silences doubt. 4. Surround yourself with encouragement. Your environment matters. Spend time with people who lift you, not those who doubt you. Sometimes the right word from the right person can rewire how you see yourself. 5. Celebrate your progress. Every time you do something that scares you, no matter how small, celebrate it. Growth is not a straight line. You're building a new voice inside, one of courage, not fear. Self-doubt may not disappear overnight, but every day you challenge it, you grow stronger. Remember Maya? She didn't wait for the doubt to vanish. She moved with it, and so can you. Because deep down, you already have what it takes. You just need to believe it and act on it. If this video spoke to you, don't keep it to yourself. Comment "I choose courage" below if you're ready to rise above self-doubt. Subscribe for more inspiring content that helps you unlock your true potential. And if you know someone who needs this, share it with them. Be the voice that lifts them up. Your doubts may whisper, but your purpose speaks louder. Choose to believe in yourself, starting now. Until next time, stay inspired, stay brave, and remember, you were made. Thank you for watching this video. Creating videos that will help you change your life, become the best version of yourself, is what I always love doing. So like this video, subscribe to this channel, Turn on the notification bell for new video that is coming in. And always remember, more love to you from family, friends, and me too. Subscribe now.